Shalom again. We're back, ready to learn and continue our process of learning our Aleph Bet together. Today we're on page 14, and that takes us to the letter Hey. The letter Hey. And it has the sound of an H. Huh. And it's called Hey in Hebrew. It reminds me, of course, of one of my favorite oldie songs. Hey, hey, Paula, I want to marry you. So it's that hey, or as we see almost on every broadcast today, they use the word hey instead of hello. So page 14 will combine the sound of the hey with the vowel underneath it. So remember, we've got to remember our vowels. And so if you look at the first line, it would go like this. Ha, ha, he, ha, ha, and then he. The next line, line 2, would be ha, ha, he, ha, he. Because that last word, 3 letters, right? You have the hey, you have the yud, and the aleph. But if you just dissect it, the chirik, the little dot under the hey, with the yud next to it, is the e sound. So we have he, and the aleph, remember, right, is silent. He. Now, at the end of a word, when you see the hey, it also is not pronounced. Again, like I've said with some of the other letters, it probably did have a sound, but we lost it along the way. And so therefore, it's almost considered, it is considered a silent letter when it's at the end of a word, the last letter. So if you look at line 3, you see the letter appears at the end of the word in each case. It's just silent, like a, ba, va, ra, ma, ba-a. Then line 4, ma, he. Then the next one, ma, he. And then finally, he, ima. He, ima. So let's now continue on. Line 5. Abba, abba, ha'av, ba. Now I'll teach you a little word. Hey is actually when it appears at the beginning of a word, means the. So if you look at line 5 and you see the third word, ha'av, it means the father. Ha-rav, the rabbi. Okay? And then ba. Line 6. Ima, 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 ba'a. Line 7. Abba, ba. Ima, ba'a. Then line 8. Abba, Rabbi. Meaning my father is a rabbi. Ha-Rabbi, ba. Ha-Rabbi means the rabbi is coming. Line 9. Ima, ma, ha'av. I'll just tell you parenthetically, the word ma means what? The mem and the hey together, ma means what? Like, ma nishtana ha-layla hazeh, ma nishtana. What is the difference between this night and all other nights? Ma nishtana. Ma ha'av. what is the father? And then the answer is Ha'av Rabbi. The father is a rabbi. Line 10. Abba, mihi, he, ima. Line 11. Avi, harabi. Ma, imi. Ma, imi means what? Means what is my mother? What is my mother? Line 12. Mahi, what is she? He, that three-letter word, give you another word for your vocabulary. He means she. I know it sounds like Abbott and Costello, who's on first, what's on second, but in Hebrew, he, like we have it here, means she in English. And therefore, he, ima, means she is an ima, is a mother. In line 13, Ha'av Amar. Ima Ba'a. Ima Ba'a. Ha'av Amar. That also is a sentence. Ha'av, the father. Amar is a verb. Now, I don't expect you to know this and remember this, but I want just to share it with you parenthetically. Amar is a verb, meaning he spoke, he said. Ha'av Amar means that the father said. Okay, so that's page 14. You remember the hey, because you remember, hey, hey, Paula, I want to marry you. It's one of the great oldies of all time. So practice your hey. And if you're from Brooklyn, it should come very, very easily. Okay? Hey, forget about it. But don't forget about page 14. See you next time. Shalom.